Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to improve chat-based responses in 2026. If you want your AI chatbot to give more accurate, helpful, and natural answers, these simple tips can make a big difference. So let's get started. First, make sure your chatbot is trained with high-quality information. Upload updated documents, connect the correct website pages, and remove outdated or duplicate content. Yeah, better data leads to better answers. Next, improve your chatbot's instructions. Clearly tell the AI how it should respond, what tone to use, and which topics it should focus on or avoid. Now, test your chatbot by asking common customer questions. If you notice incorrect or incomplete answers, update your knowledge base and retrain the chatbot with more relevant information. You should also review your chatbot conversations regularly. This helps you identify questions the AI struggles with, so you can add missing information and continue improving its performance over time. Finally, keep your website, documents, and FAQs up to date. As your business changes, refresh your chatbot's knowledge so it always provides accurate and reliable responses. And that's it. Now you know how to improve chat-based responses for a better user experience. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.